Hello guys, good morning. My name is Barineka and I'm going to be showing you how to do videos on without using you know without using any special application. All you have to do is just come straight to this website and you will be able to do videos and you know yeah, videos or short videos whatsoever. So um, just pay close attention as we ride along. Okay, so let's go there. So all you have to do is to come to flexclip.com. You you can only access the site with your laptop. If you have a laptop, this is really going to be very easy and really cool. So you can sign up with your Gmail or Facebook. For me, I signed in with Facebook, so it was kind of very easy for me to do that. So we have stock media here, we have local file, we have recordings. Stock media, this is a um, already made videos or pictures that are available here. The local files, it's actually the one on your device or your laptop. Recordings has to do with maybe recordings from as you're recording your screen or through webcam and also work on the video. So here you have your title. Let's say title of the video we're going to be doing is just agriculture, blah blah blah. Okay, right. So we have the media. Since it's going to be something related to agriculture, we have to find something related to agriculture. I don't have any of that on my laptop, so I'm going to use the media. So I have to search for agriculture, and here I have different videos all about agriculture here. Others are still loading. Okay, fine. I think this fits perfectly. Let's go with this. Yeah. So I add to my library. I click on this. Okay. And that's all. Sorry. I add. I go back X. It uploads. It comes to this place. You just drag from here down here, and you can also trim. Let's say you want to use 15 seconds or 10 seconds whatsoever, just trim it to your taste. Okay, just move this here, trim. It's now back here. So you can now start working on text. The text, you can do the title, double tap on it, click on agri agri business, click on OK. Here you can also make that bold. You can also change the font color to purple, whatsoever, depends on what you feel it's okay. I'm going with white, and then can also align it position too. You can also make it top or down, or here, or here, or anywhere you just feel it's okay for you. You play a great business. Okay, so I think that's all about the title. There's still other formats you can use for your title. Then you also have the overlay. We can play around with that. Let's see. Let me use something. Let me use this. Let me use this. Okay, is one of the overlay. So you can decide to change the colors so it can actually blend with this. Or if it's still okay the way it is, then you can actually leave that. You move over to elements. You might not be really needing all of these elements. Depends on maybe you have one or two things you want to be using. Maybe social media. You can actually add all this to it. Yeah, you can add one here. Good, great. All you have to do is just resize a little. Put it somewhere. Good. And also watermark. You can also put your name. And grow Titan. And you can increase the opacity so it's going to show very well. And then you can bring it down here. I can reduce the size. So you have it here. And all the videos depending on how many slides you'll be working with. Okay. So you can also put an image as the watermark. Okay, so we have this here already. I'm just going to increase this a little. Use this, bring it down to this point. So here we have the watermark. When you play it, you get everything. It flows with the pictures. Flows with the video very well. So the music too, you can browse from your computer, or you can add stock music. Let's look for something nice. Let's say YouTube intro. Let's go to YouTube, the drone. Now, more like a countryside music. You allow it download and increase, replay. Can add background, can make it white, and click on text, add whatsoever you want to add here, or you can click on media to add maybe another video file. Maybe you're talking about let's say this, add this again. add this. Okay, add this. Click on back. We have our two videos. Click here. Trim. It's going to be there. Add background. Remove this again. Left click and move, drag and put on. Put it here. Then trim. That's all. So if you come here, maybe you want to talk about this livestock farming, you can go to the text, click on, find something nice here. Let's see, let's use this top tab, livestock farming. There's nothing there, just cancel, press OK. You can bring this down here, or you can use the position tool here, or here, or the middle, at the top, anywhere you feel is okay for you to click on play. The next one, we have I don't really know what this thing looks like. It looks like sunflowers. So, what's the right agric word here? Oh, come on. Well, let's use agric. I don't know, Sha. Let's just use farming. Let's say lawn. Not lawn. Maize farm. Let's use maize farm or sunflower farm. Looks like sunflower. X, since we're not using anything, just this. Okay, I think the S is lowercase. Let's make it uppercase. And then here we go. So at the end, we have this. So after that, you click on export, and since it's not actually free, since you're not paying, you can click on 180p and click on export with the video for free. So it's going to give you higher quality. The video is going to be very clean, but they're going to add their watermark. So you export the video with this quality. So at the end of the day, you have a very clear picture, clear video. Then you also need an app to remove their watermark. Then the video is like your own, and you can use it for anything you want to use. So that should be all. Thanks.